which may look easy at a first glance, but once you start putting the parts inside, you will notice that you can easily put 2 parts, and then when you put the third piece, it blocks the entrance and you still have 2 parts left. So it looks totally impossible. But this is a Quinta Cuboids puzzle, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. If you like the Quinta Cuboids puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. I put the first piece inside like that, then I flip it once like that, then I rotate it again like that and put it to the right side. Then I drop inside the second piece, all the parts are exactly the same. Again, I do the same moves, I flip it once, then I have to rotate it once again, but it seems like there is not enough space. So what I have to do is to lift the first piece up. It's better to do when you flip the box upside down. The first piece will drop down, and at the same time you will be able to rotate the second piece and put it under the first one. As you can see now, they are sitting like that inside of the box. Then you put the third piece. Again, what you have to do is to flip it like that, and now you have just enough space to fit the first piece and the fifth, and the puzzle is solved, and that is the solution of the Quinta Cuboids puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Theo Geerinck and Symen Hovinga, go to puzzlemaster.ca.